Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the sketch toolbar in CATIA V5. Please come, let us get into our video section. Sketch toolbar is used mainly to draw a sketch very easily. And select the mechanical design and select the part design. Go to the part, new part, and select the sketch and just pick the any one plane. Now we are in sketching interface. In sketching toolbar used with 5 tools. One is a grid and another one is snap to point, and third one is constraint and standard elements, and fourth one is geometrical constraint, and fifth one is dimensional constraint. We should control some mandatory things through this sketch tool feature. For example, first one is grid. As we all know, grid is a basic in creating the drawing, which we used to call this as like a graph. When we try to zoom on the sketching interface, we have multiple grids here with a particular distance. The distance between the grid is 1 to 10 mm. So from this point to and this point around 10 mm, the both axis of the grid. We can do on off control by using the grid sketch tool. See, when the sketch tool grid is off, there is no grid points on the sketcher interface. When the sketch tool is off on, now grid is available on the sketch interface like this. Next feature is snap to point. When snap to point is on, if you try to draw a line or any profile, we are getting a rounded value in all the grid intersections. When the snap to point is off, we don't get a rounded value in a grid intersection. For example, we are trying to draw one profile. Start from this point. When the grid is on, we are getting rounded value as 0 0. If we are away from that intersection, we are getting the rounded value of the intersection point of the grid. Just draw one line. All the intersection we are getting a rounded value without any dimension closing. And if the snap to point is off, we won't get the intersection value. I'm trying to draw a line without that intersection point. It is little difficult to find this intersection when the grid is off. See, which is this is the intersection point. I am unable to get a round value of this intersection. Okay, let us draw one profile. The intersection value was not exact to the grid intersection when the grid is off. Snap point is used to highlight the and identify the round and exact value of the grid intersection. Snap point is easy to find the intersection round value on the grid intersection. I'll show you another example. When I draw a circle, you can get a center point with rounded values. If it is an off, we won't get a round value of this intersection. I'm again switch on the snap point. Now I am getting the exact intersection point. Next, in sketch tool, third one is called construction and standard elements. I'm going to explain this with one example. Let us draw one profile in a sketch. I'm going to draw an uneven profile with a sketch. This object I am going to mirror with one reference line. I'm going to draw one reference line. Then do a mirror this profile with respect to this reference line. I got a mirrored object here with based on this reference line. If you exist with the sketch, we can't extrude or pad the sketch because the profile which is not close to us available in the sketch. So the mirror reference line, we have to change it as a reference. For that, we are using this constraint and standard elements. Now this mirror reference line was in constraint reference line. Now if you exist from the sketch, you can do pad with some distance. This is the way we are using the constraint and standard elements. Constraint and standard elements are used to convert the solid line into construction or reference line. Okay, like this sketch tools were used in many features. If you like this video, please share your friends and comment if you need anything to be improved on the comment video section. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you, friends.